Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Make sure the JVC head unit supports Bluetooth and the car ignition is in ACC so the unit powers up. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set volume to a moderate level so pairing prompts are audible. On the stereo, press SRC or the phone key to open the Bluetooth menu. This initiates discoverable mode. You do this first, because the stereo must advertise its device name before the phone can find and request a connection. Once the stereo is discoverable, choose Pairing or Add Phone on the JVC menu to start scanning. Next, open Bluetooth on your phone and select the JVC device name shown. The phone and stereo will display a 4-digit PIN. Confirm it matches on both devices to authorize pairing. After pairing, grant permissions for contacts and media so calls and music work. Make sure the unit shows connected or a phone icon. This indicates successful hands-free and A2DP links. Finish by testing. Place a call, play music, and confirm audio routes through the car speakers. Adjust balance and microphone levels if voice is weak. If the phone fails to pair, delete any old JVC pairing entries on the phone and remove phones from the stereo's paired list, then retry. If problems persist, power cycle the head unit or perform a Bluetooth reset. This clears corrupted settings. One key tip: intermittent issues often resolve by removing older paired devices to avoid connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.